Hey everyone, it's Dillon King from Home Buyer Louisiana. I am here in New Orleans near Algiers Point. The family has had this home for a while. It started just getting some foundation issues, which has led to sheetrock damage, roof damage. So there's water damage now, and it's just starting to pile up. And anyone who has ever dealt with foundation issues knows that this is not a low ticket item, so it's definitely something that is really hard to manage, really hard to come up with the funds, and over time it just gets worse, which means over time you'll need even more funds to fix the issues that all really stem back to foundation issues. So the family called us, let us know the situation that they were in. Obviously, the house was not going to sell on market with an agent in the condition that it is in, and the damage is just like incurring right now. So they went to homebuyerlouisiana.com and told us about their situation. Here I am to assess the property. We are going to purchase this house as is, with the foundation issues, with the water issues, with the sheetrock cracking, all that kind of stuff. We are going to buy this house as is, as fast as we can. We're putting cash in this family's pocket. So if you have a home for whatever reason that you need help getting out of the situation the home is causing you to be in, go to homebuyerlouisiana.com, fill it out, let us know about the property, and I will be by to assess it, and someone from our team is going to give you a call ASAP.